Hi there, Tom Cassidy here, talking with Richard Wilkins about some of these great ideas that he's got for how to improve your life. Richard, tell us a little bit about this idea of the script.
Well, the script is brilliant, Tom, because what we discovered, well, going right back, I mean, I've been working in the field of human consciousness almost 25 years, and I was good on my speaking circuit. I'd speak in this country and other countries. But what I was saying, I was in a brilliant place. I was what I was called there. Everyone wants to get. I was there. But what I'd got, it wasn't transferable. People, I was in a great place. I was telling people, they'd applaud me and they'd think it's brilliant. But they weren't getting it. And it was only 7 years ago where we came up with the concept of the script. And basically, the whole beauty of the script is everybody's got a negative voice in their head, right? Everyone. We've all got this negative voice in our head. And most people will think that negative voice is who they are, yeah? Which really messes you up. And what we're saying is, there's a script, yeah? And we're born scriptless. And what happens is, every day of our life, so we're born scriptless, day one, you're given one page, then another page, then another page. And throughout your day, you've got this script. Now, this script, metaphorically, is in our head. Right? So you've got this in our head. And basically, this is choosing most of our life. When I say most, I'm talking probably over 95% of the time, we're not doing what we would choose. It's so simple. I mean, anyone watching this now, I've only got to say, if you could choose to be happier, would you choose to be happier? And you go, well, if I could choose, well, yeah, I would, yeah. Okay, and if you could choose to be kinder on yourself, would you choose that? And you go, well, if I could, yeah, I would. And the whole thing, relationship with yourself, you can go through a whole list of things that we would be choosing to do better or differently. Well, the whole point is, well, why aren't we? It's because this is choosing. And all personal development, I studied personal development, and it was brilliant. The only thing is, the personal development was saying to me, you choose to be happy or you choose to be sad. So you do the course on about how to be happy. I'm going to be happy, I'm going to be happy, which is unsustainable. And then one day you can't keep that up and you think, damn, I've lost it. The course hasn't worked. Why am I choosing to be unhappy? And the point is, when we're unhappy, we're not choosing. That's the point. And the beauty is, the beauty about the script is, and what people get, and kids get this, right? It's external. I'm externalising, whereas personal development is internalising. I mean, watch this. I'm going to do some magic now. Okay. I'm going to make this vanish, right? Because I take the script and go like that. I might have gone out of focus there or something. But like that. That's it. What I'm meaning is, most people are never going to hear this programme that you're doing now. They're not going to hear about Richard Wilkins. So that script is who they think they are. So all these courses, which are well-intentioned about loving yourself, you look in the mirror and you say 1,000 times, I love you, I love you. This script all the time is saying, no you don't, no you don't, no you don't. Yeah. So it's a brilliant, brilliant concept, and people get it, and it's transferable. So everyone has got one of these, right? It's in your head, and this is choosing. There's a choice being made. People think because there's a choice being made, that they're making it, and they're not. It's the script. And when you get this, when you understand it, it's like getting the Matrix, the movie The Matrix. Yeah. What people out there have, they have the illusion of choice, when in fact, this is doing the choosing.
That's incredible. And that's the script.
That's the script.
Thanks very much.